Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Secure Boot when launching Valorant. The first thing we need to do is by checking if your Secure Boot is actually on or off on your system. Go ahead and type in system information on your Windows. Go ahead and press enter and then scroll down until you see Secure Boot. If it says off, it is off. Now since this is off, go ahead and try to restart your PC, but before doing so, make sure you know your motherboard's BIOS key. Here are the BIOS keys for the motherboards. In my case, I have Dell. Okay, once you restart, go ahead and press your or spam your BIOS key. In my case, go ahead and spam F2. Once you spam F2, a BIOS setup will appear. In the BIOS setup, most BIOS setup are very different looking, but they are most likely similar. In my case, go ahead and find boot configuration. Once you go ahead and find boot configuration, just enable Secure Boot. Once you enable Secure Boot, go ahead and click on Apply and then save and exit. Once you press on Save and Exit, this will restart your PC and try launching Valorant again if the error still persists. That will be all for today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.